Hey all, welcome back. Thanks for joining in today. Today, all of us have started accepting that AI is making a profound impact in all of our life. But one question is keep coming in all the leadership forum from the businesses though, which is how safe it is for them to expose their data to the LLMs hosted in the cloud. Is it a valid concern or is it an educational problem? One interesting observation though, when we all started moving our applications from data center to cloud, yes, similar questions have come. Is this a same question or is this the same problem that we are talking about again? If so, then why again? I want to make one fundamental thing to be clarified here. Though on surface it appear to be same, these two are two different problems. Migrating your application from data center to a cloud is not data intensive. The success of that application is not depends on the data that you are exposing to. Cloud service providers are just the infra providers. They need minimal amount of your data to be efficient. But LLMs, in contrary, the success of LLM itself depends on the kind of data that you expose to. So that's definitely raise eyebrows, and that's a valid concern that businesses are asking, right? Is this something the LLMs are not aware of? The LLM companies are not aware of? Definitely, they have heard about this concern well enough, and they are all trying to solve this problem in multiple ways, right? Let's divulge into some of the options that are getting emerged. One such option is the LLMs are trying to privately host their models in the cloud. These models are pretty much dedicated to the institutions and businesses. Your data is not exposed to the outside world. In fact, the models are not going to consume it for their own training purposes. Some of this kind of confidence the LLM model providers have started to give in. On the other side, the trend of small language model has also picked up. This is not a large language model, a small language model focused towards a pointed solution. These kind of models are not data intensive, can be run in our local data center also. This is getting complemented by the trend which is picking up, which is declouding. Businesses have started realizing that hosting every other application on the cloud is going to cost them much. Some of the insensitive applications can be sit on their own private data center. That's going to save some bucks. With that trend is being catching up, hosting small LLMs for a pointed solution is an avenue for businesses to utilize. On the other side, the large language model is started to providing a privately hosted models as well. Interestingly, the chips are getting pretty advanced. They're making humongous progress. Some of the chip manufacturing companies, they are indeed promoting private data center also. So with the culmination of all these trends, I'm sure in the near future, exposing a data to a large language model or for the AI model is a question going to get faded out. With that confidence, I would definitely recommend businesses to start at least exploring with a pointed solution to start with. Understand the nuances of hosting a AI-based solution either in a private data center or in a cloud is something needs to be get started with. So that way you will have a framework in place when you wanted to move most of your applications using AI model will be relatively easy. With that said, thanks for joining in today. I'll talk to you all in one another episode. Bye.